July 30, 2022, and it's about, I don't know, 5:30, 6 p.m. and it's in London, England, and this is the London Bridge. It's really a happy coincidence that I'll get to walk across the London Bridge, because I definitely did not tag this as anything I really wanted to see or do. But there's two observation decks in the area, the Sky Garden and the view from the Shard. And so the reviews said that the Sky Garden required reservations, which I definitely didn't have. So I tried there first. Sure enough, a young lady said, no getting in, try tomorrow. And so I'm gonna walk across the bridge to the view from the Shard, that thing up there that I think I'll be able to get into. Hopefully, we'll see. Supposed to be the highest view in the city. The Sky Garden is dope just because it's like 3 levels of an indoor garden, and there's restaurants and bars and whatnot. And so I don't know if I'll try to get back into it, but hopefully, like I said, I can get into the Shard. And like I said, just a happy coincidence, I get to walk across the London Bridge, which I thought was going to be more like a suspension bridge or something. This definitely doesn't seem old at all. Clearly, this has been like redone at some point. That bridge over there is not the London Bridge. I think that's the Tower Bridge. So, not what I was expecting. But it's cool though. And then I think one of these is like a old prison or something too. Not entirely sure. And it's not the Thames River either. I looked at it on Google Maps. Pretty sure it feeds into the Thames or something, but and like I said, it's about 6 o'clock and the sun is still pretty high in the sky, so I have some time. But all the museums and everything are closed as of 5 o'clock. So it says Thames Clippers, but Google Maps said this wasn't the Thames. So I don't know. Yeah, it says Thames Jet Extreme. So this must be the Thames River. I mean, it's got to be, right? The London Bridge has to go over the Thames.